This is the second video for this chapter, lesson number 10, decimal. And in this video, we will discuss about like and unlike decimal. Before talking about like and unlike decimal, you must know what are decimal places. The number of digits contained in the decimal part of a decimal number is the number of decimal places in it. For example, 3.75. It has 2 digits, therefore it has 2 decimal places. 14.692, there are 3 digits, therefore it has 3 decimal places. So according to the number of digits in the decimal portion, we can say that how many decimal places it has. Now see the like decimal. Decimal numbers having the same number of decimal places are called like decimal. Therefore, 5.38, 0.21, 100.26 and 8.50 all are like decimals. Why? Because all these four numbers have 2 decimal places irrespective of their integral part. We can see that their decimal places are similar and their integral part are dissimilar. So it doesn't matter if the decimal parts are similar, then we can say they are like decimal. And unlike decimal, decimal numbers having different numbers of decimal places. For example, 12.63 having 2 decimal places, 8.946 having 3 decimal places, and 478.7 having only 1 decimal place. As they have different numbers of decimal places, therefore they are unlike decimal. Now see a very interesting result when we compare these 3 decimal numbers. 0.5, 0.50 and 0.500. 0.5. When we convert this decimal in the form of fraction, as it has only one place of decimal, so the denominator should be 10. Earlier we have discussed that according to the number of decimal place, we can decide the denominator, how many zeros should be there with the 1. Here it is 1 decimal place means denominator should be only 10. So 0.5, that means 5 upon 10. But you know that when we multiply the numerator and denominator by same counting number, we get equivalent fraction. Here we are getting the equivalent fraction of this original fraction 5 upon 10 by multiplying both the numerator and the denominator by 10. So 5 into 10 50 and 10 into 10 100. And therefore we can say that 5 upon 10 is equal to 50 upon 100 because they are equivalent fraction. Now look at this decimal 0.50. When we convert it in fraction, we are getting 50 upon 100. And what we already got here, 50 upon 100 is equal to 5 upon 10. Similarly, 50 upon 100 again can be converted into equivalent fraction by multiplying 10 with both numerator and denominator, and the fraction is 500 upon 1000. So this 500 upon 1000, the decimal form is 0.500. Therefore, we can say that 5 upon 10 is equal to 50 upon 100. Already we have seen here. And 50 upon 100 is equal to 500 upon 1000. Already we have seen here. Therefore, all these three are equivalent fraction and their decimals are also equivalent decimal. How? Look at here. The decimal for 5 upon 10 is 0.5, 50 upon 100 is 0.50 and 500 upon 1000 is 0.500. So these three decimal numbers are equal. So therefore we can conclude 2 important results. First of all, putting any number of zeros to the extreme right side of the decimal part does not change the value of decimal number. Hence we may write 7.25 is equal to 7.250. is equal to 7.2500. So we can include so many number of 0 at the extreme right side of the decimal without changing their final value, because all these three numbers are equal. Okay, and one other important conclusion is that we may convert unlike to like decimals. How? By putting zeros at the extreme right side of the decimal part and changing them into equivalent decimal with same decimal places. Okay. So unlike to like means very easily we can convert by applying 0 at the extreme right. Now look at how. Here, three set of decimal numbers given: 101.01, 19.708 and 10.6. This number has 2 decimal place, this number has 3 decimal place, and this number has 1 decimal place, and these all three numbers are unlike decimal. We have to convert them into like decimal. First of all, to convert it into like decimal, we have to find out which number has the maximum number of decimal places. Here we are getting this number has maximum number of decimal places and it is 3. So we have to convert all the three numbers, that means the first number and the third number, with 3 decimal places. How? Look at here. 101.01 is equal to, we can include 10 at the extreme right. So 101.01, and from our side we are including this 0. Now it has 3 decimal places, but the value has not been changed. Similarly, the second number already has the 3 decimal places. The third number 10.6, only 1 decimal place. From our side we can include 2 0 to change them into 3 decimal places. Therefore it is now 10.600. And we can say now 101.010, 19.708 and 10.600 is a set of like decimal. So very easily we can convert unlike to like decimal.